কি অবস্থা সবার চলে আসলাম আরেকটি নতুন ভিডিও নিয়ে। ফুড ইন্স্যুরেন্স। ফুড ইন্স্যুরেন্সটা কি? ফুড ইন্স্যুরেন্স ইউএসএ প্রত্যেকটা জিনিসের একটি করে ইন্স্যুরেন্স করতে হয়, যেমন ফুড ইন্স্যুরেন্স ইউ ক্যান রেইন সো ইটস ক্যান ফ্লড ইন্স্যুরেন্স। ফ্লড ইন্স্যুরেন্সটা কি? So speaking with a USA flood specialty about your coverage needs, call 800-531-8722. So retail have a saved quite. So what you are really saved by not reviewing. Okay, so the trust about floods and flood insurance. Your motograph and company may require you to buy food and insurance if your home is in a high risk. So moderate risks your head. Okay, so food insurance and consult test fact and you might change your mind. So flood flood insurance isn't part of your typical homeowner coverage. So we offer food insurance through the National Food Insurance Program to help cover food damage and cashless by hurricanes and mid-time so rain of head. So food cover. Okay, so coverage and the 25% flood claim so come from hours with low to moderate food risks event if you company doesn't require you to have flood insurance. So it is a good idea. So consult purpose policy. Okay. So food are you not and natural distress in the United States. Flooding occurs more often than tornadoes, earthquakes or hurricanes. On niche of the water can get 25,000 2,500 watt damage. Okay, so why you should have your food insurance? So dealing with the appointment your aftermath of your food, then food isn't physical and emotional. Okay, so it could be important. Okay, so flood can happen anywhere. Okay, so where there ice, rain and stone. So where three drought on renew your flood insurance policy. Just become you have expense food in the present and many you want to future. Remember the flood are you any here and a few insurance and water can cost $3 million. Okay, so be our food new food risks. Okay, then don't wait until flooding is in the forecast. Practical 30-day waiting period before the following is affirmative is stick your safe food special about your coverage need. Okay, so about for community access and the homes. So yes, the tribal homework and the property insurance policy doesn't include flood coverage and in some locations. Okay, so thank you everyone.